spread over an acre of land, Vinayaka Engineering Works revolutionized cashew industry in terms of efficiency and productivity. On 7th February 1984, Vinayaka Engineering Works was founded as a challenge to his father over creating an empire for the family.
I am B. Sudhakar Baliga, Managing Partner of Messrs. Vinayaka Engineering Works, an establishment made in the year of 1985 along with my partner Mr. N. Arun Padiyar. Myself is a diploma in mechanical engineer and my partner is diploma in electrical engineering. In the year of 85 we joined together and thought of making some innovations in the cashew industry.
I am Rohit Zante, partner at Zante Cashews Goa. We are one of the pioneers in cashew processing and we have a presence over the last 100 years. For Zante's, Vinayaka Engineering is our partner in cashew and we have been working with them for the last 10 years. Most of our machinery is what are required for cashew processing is purchased from Vinayaka Engineering, be it boiler, borma, steam line, and now they have also ventured into feeding system, conveyor belts, etc. We love to do business with them because of quality, the price, after sales support and just the convenience of installation and everything.
I came to this business in the year 2013 with the further plan of expanding this business to another level. So mainly I look after the sales as well as the management part.
I joined the business in the year 2013 and since then I have been focused in providing our customers the best in class, best quality products with a very good after sales service. We are having our customers all over India and abroad and customer satisfaction is our main motto and our business.
Hello friends, this is Damodar Kamath from Bola Surendra Kamath & Sons. As we all know, we are going through a huge mechanization process in cashew industry. Along with this process, Vinayaka Engineering is doing a lot of research, going through a lot of developments and giving a lot of new products. We have purchased many products from them and we are very happy about it.
I am Pramod Kamath, partner of K. Subrayanand Kamath & Sons, Kasaragod. We have been customers of Vinayaka Engineering Works for more than a decade. We have purchased multiple boilers, hot air oven bormas, conveyors, bins, etc. We are very happy with the construction quality of their equipment.
I am Tukaram Prabhu, proprietor of Messrs. M. Madhur I. Prabhu, and we have been associated with Vinayaka Engineering since the early 80s and starting from the baby boiler till installation of different IBR boilers of different capacities, 500, 750 and now we are using their 1.5 ton boiler. And we are very much satisfied with the service given, starting with Mr. Arun Padiyar and Sudhakar Baliga.
My name is Siddharth Zante. I am the director in the company Zante Cashew Industries. We have our factories in Goa and Maharashtra. We have been in the cashew business since 1905 and we've seen a lot of changes taking place in the cashew industry. My association with Vinayak Engineering came in 2006. Vinayak Engineering has been in the forefront of innovation, and his service backup, his entire workmanship, his time scheduling, he has been perfectly on time. We're extremely happy.
Along with the cashew industry, we have diversified in multiple public sectors such as pharmaceuticals, rice mill, and garments.